Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. Thank you. So today let us try this delicious breakfast recipe. So do you have sausage in your house? Do you have bread? Do you have egg? Do you have cheese? And do you have spring onions? So we'll start by cutting our sausage, and then we're going to cut our spring onions. After that, get a clean bowl and you add your egg to it. You add your egg and salt, a pinch of salt to it. If you want to add pepper to it, no problem, you can also add pepper to it, but I just used egg and salt. That was what I used. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Your comment is very important. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Thank you. So after adding salt to the egg, you just have to mix till you're sure you've mixed well. Then after that, you get your bread, and then you're going to create a hole in the middle of your bread. You're going to create a hole like a triangle, something like that. The bread is not that straight, so I didn't really get the shape I wanted. But if your bread is straight, perfect, then you're going to create this hole like a box or a triangle in the middle, and you're going to remove that part out. If you have a roller, you can roll that middle part you removed. If you don't have a roller like me, I just used my hand to press the middle inside. So this was how I did mine. Since there was no ruler in the house, I just did mine like this. So you get as many bread as you want and you do the same thing to it. So now you get your pan and you add your oil or you add butter to it, any of the above. You can either use oil or you can use butter. So now you place your bread there on top of the pan, as you can see now. Then you arrange your what's it called, your sausage in the middle. If you can arrange it well and straight, perfect. If not, if you're like me, arrange it anyhow, no wahala. So after arranging your what's it called, sausage perfectly well in the middle, you add your egg to that middle, that place you added the sausage. You add your egg there, and then you allow it fry. Then you add your what's it called, your spring onions, or if you have parsley, you can add your parsley instead of your spring onions. But me, I wanted to use my spring onions instead of my parsley. So you add your spring onions, then you add your cheese. This cheese I got wasn't given. This is my first time using this particular cheese. I just wanted to try it, but it wasn't really giving at all. It was just messing my whole cooking up. So just add your cheese to the middle. After adding your cheese, if you have ketchup, you can add your ketchup, or mayonnaise, or anything you want to add. If not, you can just leave it like that. I didn't add my ketchup at this stage, so you can also leave yours like that. Then you add your bread to cover up before turning. Sorry, my phone went off, it stopped recording and I didn't know, so I didn't catch that part. But you're going to see it here in the second cooking, or second breakfast baking. So yeah, the same procedure, the same method. Your bread, then your sausage, then your egg, then your spring onions, then your cheese, and your bread to cover. After that, you just turn it to the back, and that's all. So as you can see, we're done, and this is it. So I'm just going to add my parsley to it now. It's not looking greenish, but yeah, this is parsley added to it. Then I'm going to add just small ketchup to one of the bread. I don't really like ketchup like that, so I'm going to add ketchup to just one of the bread. Then I'm going to cut for you to see. So it's not really looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful like that, but trust me, the taste is mwah, like mwah, you will love it, trust me. But it's actually looking finer than this. I don't know why it's looking like this. Anyways, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, don't forget to share. Thank you. So this is it, and as you can see, it is simple, it is easy, it is affordable actually, and it is delicious. So thank you for staying with us on our video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Thank you. Please don't forget to write your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. Thanks. Bye. Have an amazing day.